Ladies and gentlemen, we kindly invite our awardee, the president of SFP, the director of Wow Awards Pune, the very lovely lady, Poonam Ajay Langde. Big congratulations to Poonam Ajay Langde ji. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको. The president of SFP, the director of Wow Awards Pune, Poonam Ajay ji, Poonam Ajay Langde ji. Ladies and gentlemen, from Purogami, Patrakar, Maharashtra, the president, we kindly invite our awardee, Sunita Tomar ji. Big congratulations to Sunita Tomar ji. Sunita Tomar ji. May we please kindly invite. Hi ma'am, सबसे पहले आप ही थे सुनीता जी. आपकी आंखों में ऐसा नशा है क्योंकि सबसे पहले आप आए थे कमरे में, रूम में, और जब से आंखों को देखा है मुझे तब से तारीफ करनी है, पर मैंने कहा था मंच पर आएंगे तभी आपकी तारीफ होगी. Let's give it up for Sunita Tomar. Ladies and gentlemen, our social activist Deepali Kothari. Lovely congratulations, the lovely lady in black. Deepali Kothari ji. Well, ladies and gentlemen, ये खास पुणे से ड्राइव करके आए हैं, and we're going to have a group photo op with all the Punekars right after our awards. Let's give it up for Deepali Kothari ji. All our awardees from Pune, please be here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to our social activist Anjali Jangam. Our lovely lady in black, Anjali Amari, Anjali, for all the fabulous work. Stand by, Anjali Jangam. Our group photo we'll do with all the Punekars, especially they've traveled all the way. Thank you so much. Let's give it up to Anjali Jangam. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please invite a very renowned Marathi television actress and Little Miss Asia 2019. Let's give it up for Ojaswi B. Kondare. Lovely congratulations to our lovely doll. ये हमारी actress हैं in Marathi films and the Little Miss Asia 2019 Queen. Ojaswi B. Kondare, a lovely queen. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome a very renowned celebrity makeup artist, Rukhsana Sheikh. Congratulations to Rukhsana Sheikh. Rukhsana Sheikh ji. May we please invite our awardee from Bollywood Flash, Jitendra Pandey. Big congratulations to Jitendra Pandey. May we please invite our awardee, Jagdish Natulal Jain. Jagdish Natulal Jain. Thank you. Congratulations to you, sir. May we please kindly invite Jagdish Natulal Jain from Sapna International. Big congratulations to you, sir. Let's invite Pramod Singh ji, हमारे producer और event organizer हैं. Pramod Singh ji. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको Pramod Singh ji. Heartfelt congratulations to Rajkumar Kanodia. Actor and composer Pramod ji, आप हर event की शान हैं. You're always present. It's always overwhelming to see you. Let's give it up to Pramod Singh. May we please invite a very renowned actor and comedian, Rajkumar Kanodia ji. Rajkumar ji. आपको सुनकर भी इतना मजा आता है ना, आप क्या परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं. We love your live performances, sir. Let's present the award to actor and comedian Rajkumar Kanodia ji. And ladies and gentlemen, our singer and actor Prakash Tiwari Madhul ji. Prakash Tiwari Madhul ji. May we please kindly invite Karishma Rao, our actress and singer. Karishma Rao. Sir, we were waiting to hear from you. आपका गाना सुनने के लिए हम कब से बेताब थे. Big congratulations to Karishma Rao, actress and singer. Let's give it up to Sailesh Patel. Sailesh Patel ji, let's give it a hum. Well, for the supporting role that he's played today. Sailesh ji, thank you for having me here as well, and Pushkar ji and everyone. Thank you Ramzan. Let's give it up to our social activist, founder of Umeed Foundation, Salma Memon. Heartfelt congratulations to Salma Memon ji. Is Karishma Rao here? Karishma Rao, our very lovely actress. Yes, Karishma Rao, please come. Salma Memon ji, you're looking lovely in pink. Today, Devi's color is pink, I just learned. Let's give it up to our very gorgeous and stunning actress and singer, Karishma Rao. Karishma, you look so lovely. And let's give it up for the gentleman in green, Pushkar Oza. This is a small token of love from Khabar Jobbies. Khabar Jobbies. And ladies and gentlemen, may we please invite Mrs. Maharashtra winner, Dr. Karin Terry Raza. Dr. Karin Terry Raza. And let's give it up for Miss India 2013 celebrity anchor, Simran Ahuja.
would like to request सिमरन वो जहाँ पे भी हो वो स्टेज पे आ जाए. खो जाती है ये अवार्ड के वक्त. Please do come. This award is for Simran. Yes, indeed, wonderful, superb. Give us a round of applause, please. जबरदस्त हो जाए ताली. She is a one-woman army.
Special, thank you so much, sir. And we have a lovely lady here with us. We have with us Dr. Karin Terry Raza. A lovely lady is here with us on stage. Congratulations. I love your name always, and I must say the kind of work that you do. Congratulations, lovely lady. Our lovely playback singer, Dr. Aparna Osarkar. Big congratulations to Dr. Aparna Osarkar, our playback singer. Will you please kindly invite Jumana Ali Morbiwala, our Mumbai president from Life Hands Foundation. Please kindly invite our honorable chief guest, Shri Chandrakant Mateji, here on stage with us. Shri Chandrakant Mate sir. मोरबीवाला है. एंड मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी इनके बारे में, ये इतने सालों से, डेकेड से ये उनकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम करती है, लाइफ हैंड्स फाउंडेशन. जुमाना अली मोरबीवाला. Will you please have a bouquet for honorable chief guest? Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a bouquet and shawl first. It's an honor for all of us to have with us our Vice President of Maharashtra State Cricket Association, our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Chandrakant Mate sir. Sir, तहे दिल से आपका स्वागत है. It is a big honor for all of us to have your humble presence. Thank you to Honorable Chief Guest. Sir, I'm pleased प्लीज हमारे चीफ गेस्ट से अरुण बख्शी सर से एंड ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे टू बी हियर विद अस टू काइंडली प्रेजेंट द अवार्ड्स। प्लीज काइंडली इनवाइट Atish Chatur, a video journalist, News 18 India. Atish Chatur. May we please kindly invite Edward Pereira, President and founder of Ray Hope Sanstha. Edward Pereira. May we please kindly invite our social activist, Neeta Jayesh Desai. Big congratulations to Neeta Jayesh Desai. Edward Pereira is here. Edward sir, thank you. Edward sir, in the center please. Big congratulations to Edward sir. Edward Pereira presenting the Hope Mirror Foundation Award, and it goes to Neeta Jayesh Desai. Congratulations to Neeta Jayesh Desai ji. And ladies and gentlemen, the one and only our social activist, Dr. Sheila Sharma. Let's give it up for Dr. Sheila Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Hope Mirror Foundation, supported by Ekta Manch, the founder of Shams Impex PB Honey brand, and it goes to Bukhari Sham Suleiman. Big congratulations to Bukhari Sham Suleiman. Bukhari ji, sorry. Let's invite our social activist Geeta Yadav ji. Social activist Geeta Yadav. Social activist Advocate Falguni Brahmbhatt. Advocate Falguni Brahmbhatt. Our actress Alankrita Sahai. Our actress Alankrita Sahai.